Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use the crypto.com app as a complete beginner. My goal is to make this so easy that anyone can follow along regardless of experience. Crypto.com is one of the most popular cryptocurrency apps worldwide with over 10 million downloads. I'll walk you through the app's most important features, starting with the account section where you'll manage your wallets. The first wallet you'll see is the crypto wallet. This is where you store cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Kronos, or any others you wish to hold. It's also where you can deposit or withdraw cryptocurrencies. Next is the exchange wallet, which is linked to the crypto.com exchange platform available via a browser or its own app. Following that is the crypto earn wallet. Below that is the fiat wallet, which is where you manage government-issued currencies like dollars, euros, or pounds. It's also where you can deposit or withdraw funds to and from your bank account. Then, there's the NFT wallet, which you can explore later if you're interested in digital collectibles. Lastly, there's the crypto.com Visa card wallet. This is a standout feature as it lets you earn cash back while shopping. To deposit or withdraw money, start in the card section. Topping up your card is a simple way to access your funds in real life. Use this card to pay for groceries, transportation, or other daily expenses. Alternatively, you can withdraw cryptocurrencies by transferring them to an external wallet. For example, to withdraw Bitcoin, go to your BTC balance, select Transfer, and then withdraw. Add the recipient's wallet address, confirm the transaction, and your funds will be sent. For bank account withdrawals, you'll need to verify your account by making at least one deposit. After that, you can withdraw funds by selecting Fiat Wallet, choosing your currency, and entering the withdrawal details. Depositing funds works the same way, in reverse. To buy cryptocurrencies, go to the homepage and select the coin you want, such as Bitcoin. You can buy using funds from your Fiat Wallet, debit or credit card, Google Pay, or other cryptocurrencies. For lower fees, consider transferring funds into your Fiat wallet first, then purchasing crypto from there. You can also set up recurring buys to automate your cryptocurrency purchases. For instance, you could schedule a weekly Bitcoin purchase of $100. This strategy, known as dollar cost averaging, is widely used by professionals. Another option is to set a target price for buying cryptocurrency. This works like a limit order, where you specify a price at which you'd like to buy. If the market reaches your target price, the app will execute the purchase. Selling cryptocurrency is just as simple. Navigate to your account, select the cryptocurrency, and choose Sell. You can convert it to fiat currency or another cryptocurrency. You can also top up your crypto.com Visa card with cryptocurrency to spend in real life. The Visa card also rewards you with cashback in Kronos tokens. You can use these tokens as you wish, converting them into other currencies or reinvesting them. For example, if you top up your card with Bitcoin, the app will convert it into your local currency for spending. The mission section is another way to earn rewards. By completing tasks, you earn diamonds, which can be redeemed for mystery boxes containing free money. This is a simple and fun way to earn while using the app. Crypto Earn is another feature to explore. It allows you to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings. Choose between flexible terms, 1-month terms, or 3-month terms, depending on your needs. Your earnings are deposited directly into your crypto wallet, making this an effortless way to grow your investments. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I've found a unique side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. Click the link in the description to learn all about it.